Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So this time what I'm going to do is, now that we have implemented our multiple weapon system like this, but even if we have multiple weapons, now our fight system is kind of broken because even if I press the attack button it doesn't do anything, and if I press the right mouse button to block still it doesn't do anything. Also I get some error here as well. So I'm going to fix these minor problems and restore my fighting system after implementing this multiple weapons, and after that I'm going to do some I'm going to show you how to add different animations or different attack damage levels, things like that, to different weapons. Alright, and also I just passed the 100 subscribers in my YouTube channel. Actually that feels like a great achievement to me, and thank you very much for the support you guys have been given me, and also keeping up with me with my tutorials, and thank you very much. Also this episode is brought to you by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you are giving me, and you guys have been a very important part of my journey in this creating these tutorials. Also, if you want to support my work or download projects files or ask me any other questions that you have, you can join my Patreon club, and yeah, you can enjoy the privileges you will have there. Okay, so let's get started. First I'll open my human character, and first I'm going to fix this error. So I'm getting this error, I think I'm getting it by this node, because here I don't have any input and I'm checking and some invalid input for valid, but I thought this node supposed to handle that kind of a situation, but it seems not. So therefore instead of doing it like that, I'm gonna check that condition like this. Instead of checking for validity, I'm gonna do a branch here, and I'll check if this one is larger than 0. So that is exactly same as getting only these two inputs. So I can connect this one here and this one here, and I can get rid of this part. And the other problematic node is this one. Well, that's also coming from here, but I don't think I have to do another branch here because I am already checking if this current weapon number is bigger than 0. So yeah, I don't think I would have to do that again, so this part wouldn't be a problem, but let's check. Okay, so I am not getting that error anymore. That's good. Right, the next part I'm going to do is fixing or restoring our combat system, because even if I press right mouse button or left mouse button, this is not working. So what is the problem? So first I'll close other tabs and I'll check my attack event. Here I'm doing this check sword equipped test. So this sword equip part, right, so the problem is my input weapon number is 0 here, so let's make it 1. But is that enough? I'm not sure, because somewhere I have to set this sword equipped or weapon equipped variable to true. Where do I set that? Right here. So this part is not connected anymore. So here, instead of checking this weapon equipped, I should check now if current weapon number is bigger than 0. Let's check. No, still not working. Well, let's check if we have any other references to this get weapon equipped variable. Right, we have one reference here, this part. So here I should do the same thing, get current weapon number and check if it is larger than 0 instead of this part. Compile, and now let's check. Still not working. What else could be the problem? Okay, so here when I do this, yeah, the problem is I always have the value 0 for the index. Is that it? So let's do a quick debugging here. So I'll print the value of this one so that I can see what's happening. I'm gonna press 1. Sorry, I'm going to press the attack button, and for some reason this always remain at 0. So the problem is definitely in this part. Okay, this is the problem. I forgot to connect this part, so it should go here. Right, please work. Right, now it is working. Yeah, even the charging part. Now let's check with this weapon. Okay, now I think everything is fine, but let's see what's with this enemy character. So he's not going to equip. Alright, he did. So let's see if he attacks. He can block. Alright, so let's wait until he attacks. Don't you attack me? Why don't you attack me? Please attack. I want to check. Okay, he's doing some random movements, and yeah, he's not, I think he's not going to attack. So let's check his AI. This one, AI human. And here, where do we trigger attacking? I hope you remember this part because I'm not going to explain it again. So this is the AI of that enemy character we have. So where do we trigger attacks? Well, even I don't remember. Let's search. Alright. Here. To location and enable attack. Right now let's check this toggle attack mode event. It should be here. Attack mode. No, it's not there. So that means it should be in enemy character. Yes, we have it here. Now what's wrong? Where do we trigger attacking? This one. Okay, lock on and toggle attacking. Right, toggle attacking. So where is the toggle attacking? Here. And where is the actual? Okay, this AI attack, and I think I defined it here. And attack, yeah, here AI attack. And we have a problem here as well. So I have this toggle sword event, so I should change that to toggle weapon because that makes more sense since we have more weapons than just a sword. Yeah, now I have to re-implement that interface method. Toggle weapon. And I have defined a boolean here. So no, not a branch. I'll do a select and input here. If it is false, it should be 0. If it is true, it should be 1. Let's check. Now this guy should attack us. Right, now he is attacking us. Okay, now he's dead. And we also have another problem. Once I press right mouse button, it works fine. But if I press left mouse button without the right mouse button, it doesn't work for some reason. So I need to check my blueprint again. The problem should happen here. We have, where's the problem? Well, did you notice this? This happens when I uh, click and release the left mouse button without holding it, like this. So here you might see that there are two zeros appearing in the left top corner. That means we are executing this toggle weapon event twice. So the problem should be, we should be able to fix it by allowing only one instance here. We can do it like this, two ones, and only after this part is completed, let's add a sequence here and connect this part here, and only after this section is completed I should reset this. Let's check. Yeah, still you can see two zeros in the top left corner. That means our solution is not working. Well, the problem is this do once node not working as expected because this is a macro. So I guess we can't rely on that. So I'm gonna think of another way to do that. Right, so how can we do that? Yes, here we have this isReady function, and yeah, I'm gonna use that. Inside this check sword equipped, not for that, inside this toggle weapon method. So here first I'll do a check is ready, and if yes, I'll set ready to false, and then after everything is done I'll set ready to true. But this could introduce new problems, because if somehow this no part is executed, then we will have problems. I think we should have some problem here, because anything after this part will not be executed if that no is encountered. So therefore I'm gonna have to use or check ready here as well. Also, we have a major problem here. I forgot to connect this macro to the output. So this is the output of the macro. I can connect it here, and also I should connect this part to here, this part, and where else? Well, I should do something to this no part as well. Well, I'll do something like this. We'll add a delay of 0.2 seconds and recheck if we can equip whatever the weapon we have given. Now let's check. I think it should work now. Press left and release once. Right. He equips and do the attack, and keep left right mouse button pressed. Yeah, it happens. And let's try with the second weapon. Okay, I think everything is working fine now. Alright, so that's all I'm going to do today. and we have already taken about more than 20 minutes. So therefore I'm gonna wind up this video here, and tomorrow I will show you how to differentiate attacks based on the equipped weapon. For example, for the X, let's see if we can get some new animations from the Mixamo and use them, so that the attack animation would be different from sword and X. And also the let's see how to change the damage values as well. Alright, see you in the next episode and have a good day. Goodbye.